What do you think about the price of living in the UK?
I went in to do some food shopping. The price of everything, I didn't even notice. Like, it's tripled. And everyone thinks I'm crazy for saying I would move back to my home country.
Nigeria.
Yeah. But
why didn't you just say Nigeria? Why you say
no, because
country?
they're probably thinking every day she needs to bring up Nigeria. Every day Nigeria.
It doesn't matter. I'm Nigerian as well. Go through, man.
Period. But I would move back if I was making money in pounds. Like from home, I would move back because I just think the cost of living in this country is it's actually terrible.
Yeah, I'm not liking this country.
Yeah,
everything is just outrageous. I was speaking to someone today. Yeah, in China, you can rent somewhere in Shanghai. £500 a month. The same place you're getting that here is like 2k a month.
Yeah.
It's mad.
Nigeria, you could get a whole mansion for 2,500 a year.
Fam. Let's say about 3,000.
Yeah.
About 3,000. You're living nice.
You're out there in the most biggest yards. I'm thinking, what's going on?
You're not paying council tax. You're not paying nothing tax. That's your rent done for a year. All you need to care about is your food and just normal, literally.
Wow.
You might have someone cooking for you.
Yeah.
You might have someone outside your house, like you know when you have the man outside.
Gate man. A driver.
You're living life. Why are we not there now, bro? I'll go.
Literally.
I don't know. I think sometimes it's like we just
sounds
get comfortable.
I bet it really like.
But the thing is,
there's pros and cons. But like,
there's pros and cons. Thank you.
So like, even though like, you can go back home with 2k. You're living nice. Like, chances are you are gonna get robbed. One. I
don't think so.
No, but you are, because like you can say that, okay, I'm gonna go back home with 2k. Okay, now you have to find a place in a good like banana island. You can't just do like on a random. If not, you're gonna get robbed.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
So like even the cost of like getting that house, you do realize that you're gonna have to be going back and forth. And I also feel like, yes, going back to Africa would be nicer, but I feel like once you're in a European country, your mindset actually changes. Because even though I want to go back to Nigeria, I can't, because I feel like my mindset's completely changed. Like back there, they don't care about nothing. But
true,
that's how I feel as well. I feel like the things that we take for granted here, that are like kind of luxuries over there, that will do my head in, bruv. Like after a while, I'll be like, bro, like I can't bro, what is going on? Like, do you know what I mean? So it's like pros and cons, and it's just
what's an example of that?
So like electricity.
Never light. Oh my gosh, you can be watching TV and it's gone off. You don't know when it will come back up.
Right.
But then obviously there's generators. But then fuel prices are going up, so it does get a bit pricey if you're gonna have to buy fuel all the time.
And there's candles there still.
Yeah.
No, don't make Nigeria seem like that.
But sometimes, it's the candles that you have to use.
You might have to use the candles with the matches. You know the box of matches.
No, we use the generator.
But and then the other thing
as well. Healthcare.
Yes.
If I got really sick, I don't think I would find a way to get back to London.
No, I don't. Wait, is there? I don't know. I don't actually know the similarities too well, if there are or not, between Ghana and Nigeria, like the living status and that. But this is just talking about like healthcare and stuff. This is just about the UK in general. One of my priests I had when I go to church on a Sunday, it's like a couple months ago. So he's a priest in Ghana. He came to visit and he said he had not one patient suffering from depression in Ghana, because he said the children are disciplined. But here in the UK, kids are getting away with everything, and there's thousands and thousands and thousands of people depressed nowadays.
Yeah.
And he's getting loads of patients.
And it's mad because we're living in a country where we should be happy because we got all our amenities
all the privileges,
and all
the luxuries, the things you're saying.
But most people are upset. Bro, why do people say it's always bad vibes in London? Everyone's miserable, bro.
Yeah.
Everyone's pretending to be rich, but really miserable, bro.
Do not go on the tube at 9 a.m. in the morning, bro. People are just sitting there looking vexed.
An American said, "Why does London always look grey?" And I actually agree. Why? Like, if you go to another country, I don't know how to explain it. Yeah. If you go to America,
there's a reason why people are trying to step out all the time, trying to go abroad all the time.
And it's quite sad. That's not a way to live. And I
that's what we're living, though.
Yeah. I'm not. I'm leaving soon.
You're here, though. Right now, you're here. You're here right now,
I'm leaving soon. I'm leaving soon.
Where are you going?
To Nigeria.
Oh, okay.
How expensive is literal in Nigeria?
I think like moving to like Nigeria is something I would do like
when you're older.
Yeah.
So
I don't think I could do it. I don't think I could hack it. I'm not gonna lie.
What other country would you move to? Like now, if you was like, nah, F this.
Right, I'll go somewhere in Asia.
I can't move to a country that don't speak English.
No,
that's a big thing.
Yeah,
that's huge. Like not speaking a language, you're getting finessed all the time. Like
that's so true. I went to Mexico. Yeah, my family was from Mexico, so she understood the language. She could talk it. Yeah. But they tried to charge me £120 for like a bottle of vodka. She bought it for 50.
Yeah.
They charged us so much more just because I couldn't speak their language.
Yeah,
Mad.
That's standard. Like, and then you go Nigeria, bro, where everyone's kind of on survival mode, bro. They're gonna.
Your phone's getting
stolen. They're gonna get
if you're not
careful. And that's it.
That's the only thing.
Mad.
Whenever I go for like a month, and I always have to make sure I'm there with someone that knows Nigeria. And they tell me, as soon as we step out that door, don't open your mouth.
Yeah, don't
keep your mouth shut.
They
will do all the talking because it's either they're gonna plan to kidnap you, they're gonna times the price by 3, or any danger. I should just keep shut. That's the only thing.
Now, genuine question: as a white guy, if I was just there on a holiday, staying there for a month, would I be cheating?
Don't step outside.
Yeah,
If you step outside,
because if I'd walk outside, I'd be like, "What's up, guys?
Let
How
me
you
give you
doing?
two
You
bars.
good?"
Come on with that little lightning chain. You come on.
you ain't going back home with that chain.
That chain.
All I'm
Even
gonna say
the hat.
he's not going back home.
You're walking barefoot.
Nah, the thing is, I would walk outside. I'd be such a people's person. I'm like, "Good morning, guys. What's
They
good?"
don't care about that. They don't care.
How's
That
everyone
morning,
today?
guys, is gonna cost you 2,000 naira. What's good is gonna cost you 5,000 naira. Make sure you carry cash everywhere you're going because you will end up having to pay something for someone.
Just to
For
talk.
everything.
And don't let the police catch you.
Yeah, don't let, that's the other
They'll
thing
ask you
about
for
that's the
money.
main thing that I think as well, because everybody I know that when they've gone, feds, something dodgy with feds, something dodgy with police, and bro, police is meant to be the one protecting you, but they're taking money off you, fam. Like what? Like
there's actually something going on in Nigeria with that. There's at Bobrisky. You know who Bobrisky is? Have you heard of it?
Yeah.
So he was supposed to he got arrested for money laundering and got arrested for money laundering and spraying money, because you're not allowed to disrespect the naira. You're not allowed to spray money. So he bribed, apparently, there's a special department for fraud in Nigeria. He bribed that department for fraud 15 million naira to drop the money laundering case.
What?
Yeah,
you can't trust.
If you've got money, you can do stuff in Nigeria, bro. You can get away with stuff.
There's no law. They will make it on the street. The law is made on the street. There's no law.
But to what extent, like God forbid, but say you like murdered someone,
there's no.
and then boom,
he got she got
rich.
sentenced to, I think it was a couple months. Apparently, she got put in an apartment near the prison and never even got into the prison. That's how crazy Nigeria is.
Scary.
Now you're thinking about it, isn't it?
If you got money,
I ain't saying buongiorno to the people in the morning, bro.
That's what I say.
I ain't even gonna go there no more.
If you've got money, you could do whatever the hell you like in that country, boy.
Right, it's real like that, but